So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account in just less than 2 minutes. So let me take you to Instagram and show you how you can delete the account very successfully without taking any time. Okay, this Instagram, you just go to Instagram like this. After coming to Instagram like this, you click on your profile. After clicking on your profile like this, you come to the three dots at the top right corner. You click on it. After clicking on it like this, these options will come outside. As these options come outside, you click on settings. After clicking on settings like this, you check all these other settings that come again. Then this top one that is account center, click on account center at the top. Okay, after clicking on it like this, now what you're going to do is to scroll up. Then you come to this personal details. You click on personal details. After clicking on personal details like this, now right now you are going to click on the downside account ownership and control. You click on it. After clicking on it, it will take you here. Then at this particular place, you come on this deactivation or deletion at the downside. Click on it. After clicking on it, it will bring out the account you want to deactivate or delete. So you now choose it. These are the account that I have here. I have on this particular Instagram, so I will choose the one I want to delete. So let's click on this one. Okay, after clicking on it, now you see this option of deactivation. You can temporarily delete it, but it's not permanent. So you want to permanently delete it, you come to the downside and tick the box at the downside and click on continue. After clicking on continue, it will bring you here. So you can see what they are telling you now is that deleting your Instagram account will also delete your associated thread profile. That is it. If you are going to delete this account, the thread account that is connected with this Instagram account will also delete at once. So if you don't have problem with it, you click on continue. So after clicking on continue, these options will come outside. So the option deleting your Instagram account, these are the reasons why you want to delete, or is there any reason among this reason here. You click on it. So if there is no part of the reason that you have, the reason why you want to delete it is not here, you just come and click on something else here. Then you click on continue. So after clicking on continue, now it has bring you here. Now what you're going to do is to put your password. After putting your password, you click on continue. So after putting it, now putting your password like this is now asking you to confirm the deletion. So you can now click on delete account to confirm it. Click on it. It's still loading. Let's see. It's deleting. Okay, so right now the account has successfully deleted. That is why it has locked me out of it now. So it is going to take, like, I think 14 days before it will permanently delete. But right now, if you want to get it back, you can still get it back. But if you didn't get it back before that 14 days, it will permanently go forever. So this is how to go about it. So thank you for watching this video. Please, if you learned something here, please like this video and share it, and also comment thank you at the comment section if you love the video.